Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Programming Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to sign up in your account in BlueHost. So the first step is to open your browser. Now on the search bar, type in BlueHost. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. This is the homepage of the BlueHost website, and here on the top right corner you can see the login option, click on it. Now you have two different options to log in. You can log in as hosting, or you can also log in with your webmail. Here I am choosing webmail. Now to sign up to your account, you can see this option here which says don't have an account, get started now. Click on it. Now you have to choose one of these plans to proceed to sign up. Here I am choosing this basic one. After that you can simply skip this for now. Now it will ask you to set up your domain, but you can do this later on and skip it for now. Now here you have this sign up page, and here you have to fill up all your information correctly to sign up to your account. After you fill up your details, here you have to choose the payment option. You can choose this Visa card, MasterCard, or you can choose this PayPal card. Now if you want to receive more information about BlueHost, then you can click on this box and mark it as checked, and if you don't want that, then you can simply click on it again and mark it as unchecked. Now click on submit, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to sign up in BlueHost. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.